Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 704 binary search. We're given an array of integers nums which is sorted in ascending order and an integer target. And we need to write a function to search the target in our nums list, and if target exists, we're going to return its index, otherwise return -1. And we need to write an algorithm that does this in O log n runtime complexity. And kind of the solution is in the question itself. The hint is in the question itself. It says binary search, so that's the algorithm we're going to be implementing. We're given an example here where 9 exists in the list and return 4 because that's the index where it exists, and we return -1, for example, 2 because 2 does not exist in this list. And we're also given some constraints. So let's implement the binary search algorithm. So to implement the binary search algorithm, we're going to set our left pointer initially to the beginning of the list and our right pointer to the end of the list, so length of nums -1. And while our left pointer is less than or equal to the right pointer, let's calculate the midpoint. The midpoint is going to be equal to our left pointer plus the right pointer divided by 2. We're going to say if the number at the midpoint is equal to our target, well then happy days, we can just return mid because that's the index at which our target exists at. Otherwise, so if our target is greater than nums mid, then we're going to say our left pointer is going to be equal to mid plus 1 because our target is greater than mid. So we need to shift our left pointer. Otherwise, if our target is less than nums mid, then we need to set our right pointer equal to mid -1. And if we finish our while loop before returning a midpoint, we know our target is not in our list, so we'll return -1 like the question tells us to. So let's run our code. Now let's make sure our code is actually working by submitting, and it passed all 47 test cases. Amazing. So of course, in terms of time complexity, it's going to be O log n time complexity. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.